Salesforce partners help me to be an admin superhero, rolling out solutions to my end users at the speed of light.
Salesforce partners help us invigorate and transform our legacy systems.
Salesforce partners help my university implement Salesforce.
Salesforce partners helps me extend Salesforce fast.
Hi everyone, I'm Latrice Barnett. I work with Salesforce partners. You just heard from a few of our customers, small and large, who are solving business challenges with our partners. I'm thrilled to share how our ecosystem helps you accelerate your digital transformation journey. Before we start, I want to say thank you. There are many ways we strive to create global gatherings, and we love any opportunity to bring together customers, partners, and developers. Our world has changed forever, and digital transformation is a critical imperative to grow your business. A recent Fortune study showed that up to 75% of the Fortune 500 are accelerating digital transformation right now. In another study, nearly 70% of small businesses are accelerating digital transformation due to the pandemic. As a business or IT leader, whether you're a large enterprise company or a small business, you need to adapt quickly in this all-digital, work-from-anywhere world. Salesforce Customer 360 is how your company moves forward in this new world. With Customer 360, you can connect to your customers in a more intelligent way by uniting sales, service, marketing, commerce, IT, and analytics. But that's not all. Partners help you make that leap to digital transformation fast. Partners deliver apps and experts who help extend the power of Salesforce with the Customer 360 and deliver solutions across products, industries, and everything in between. The impact Salesforce partners have on customer success is tremendous. In fact, 70% of Salesforce implementations are led by Salesforce partners, and over 86% of all Salesforce customers use partner apps on AppExchange. So how do you find and connect with the more than 100,000 Salesforce certified experts, or tap into over 4,000 solutions built by partners? The answer is easy. AppExchange. The AppExchange is the world's leading enterprise cloud marketplace. You can find apps and expertise to extend your Customer 360. And the AppExchange is more than apps. It offers solutions for every business problem and spans across every Salesforce product and every industry. Whether you're looking for a solution or a consultant to help digitize your business faster, AppExchange truly has something for everyone. And by starting your business transformation journey on AppExchange, you're in great company. Trailblazers like you are using tried and true AppExchange apps and expertise to drive digital transformation and efficiency every single day. Now let's hear directly from one of our customer trailblazers. Santander leveraged the full power of Salesforce partners via AppExchange to accelerate their digital transformation. Please welcome Jonathan Holman, Head of Digital Transformation for Santander UK. Welcome, Jonathan.
Thanks, Latrice. It's a pleasure to be with you and share our story with you today.
To kick things off, why don't you tell us a little more about Santander and your main focus?
Sure. So Santander in the UK is a leading retail, corporate and commercial bank. And my role there is the Head of Digital Transformation for the Corporate and Commercial Division. We have about 14 million retail customers and about 100,000 corporate and business customers. I'm trying to lead the digital transformation in order to deliver a cloud-based architecture that can help service our customers and our colleagues supporting those customers better than ever before.
Wow. That sounds like quite the undertaking. What's made you successful?
So the speed and flexibility of our execution has been key. Using Salesforce hosted in the cloud, a configurable bit of software, and crucially, interconnected components, AppExchange partners that we've been able to build on that ecosystem have been really important. We use only configurable technology and we configure it as much as possible, avoiding customization. And we do that to put the real power of the continuity of data in that platform in the hands of our colleagues to serve our customers better than we ever have done before.
Let me make sure I heard you correctly. You said you worked with multiple partners in this process across consulting and AppExchange? Tell us about that experience.
Yeah, sure. So we started about 4 years ago with Salesforce and Service Cloud and Sales Cloud, and we had worked with Accenture as the SI on that project. Following the implementation of the platform, they introduced us into Encino, the bank operating system. And we wanted to install that to digitize our onboarding processes and our credit risk processes. That was able to make that transformation very quick and flexible in the way that the Salesforce platform has been. But we wanted to digitize the whole end-to-end process, and that included our loan contract creation and our security collateral documentation creation processes. And that's when we used the AppExchange to find DocuSign, and we were able to plug that in, pulling data through from Salesforce and Encino to digitize that process. That really impressed our colleagues who were able to produce documents so much faster, and we were able to leverage that experience of Accenture, DocuSign and Encino in that process to make sure our transformation landed first time really quickly and really well.
Fantastic. That's amazing to see the power of the Salesforce ecosystem coming together to drive success for Santander. So what results have you seen so far?
So we've seen some really great results so far. Our digital onboarding process, which runs on the Salesforce ecosystem, has been able to reduce the mean processing time and cycle time customers experience from 12 days down to 2 days. And then when we're creating loan contracts, we've been able to take 80% of the manual effort and the processing time out of that creation process. And that means funds for our loans have got to customers so much faster. They've raved about that, and our colleagues are able to be proactive, serving our customers in a faster and more efficient way than we ever have done before.
Well, thank you for joining us today and sharing your digital transformation story, Jonathan.
Thanks, Latrice. It's a pleasure to be with you and share our story with you today.
So, Santander is a great example of a global financial institution that is leaning into digital transformation and tapping Salesforce partners to adjust to their customers' needs. I'm sure many of you are also in the process of digitizing your business. Managing a remote workforce and reaching customers through virtual selling is table stakes. Whether you choose to build or buy a solution, AppExchange has both. Pre-built solutions and expertise to help you extend or implement Salesforce for your business. But it's not enough to simply digitize your business. You need to do it fast because your customers are expecting it. You can find the right solution for your needs on the AppExchange. To see it in action, it's my pleasure to introduce Leslie Tom, SVP AppExchange Marketing. Leslie, please show us some of the innovations.
Thanks, Latrice. The power of the AppExchange helps you digitize your business fast, especially in today's all-digital work-from-anywhere world. And that's why we continue to invest in a smarter and more personalized marketplace experience. Let's take a look.
The power of AppExchange is unlocked when you log in with your Trailblazer.me profile. This gives you a unified Salesforce profile with your Trailhead skills and the apps you've installed. All of this information stays with you regardless of where you are employed. Your Trailblazer.me profile gives you more intelligence and personalization throughout your browsing experience on AppExchange. For example, you can see personalized app recommendations based on your profile, industry, and activity. Or if you want to do a quick search, our intelligent search type-ahead functionality, suggested categories, and results are constantly learning with our automatic relevance tuning algorithm. But our smarter buying experience doesn't stop at intelligent recommendations in search. It also surfaces relevant information that helps you choose the right solution for your needs. Customers tell me all the time that they value feedback from other customers about AppExchange apps. We are excited to announce new functionality that helps you quickly see reviews by trusted community members like Salesforce MVPs and Trailhead Rangers. Instead of searching for advice and recommendations through community forums, blogs, or word of mouth, you can see it all right there on any AppExchange listing. If you're looking for an expert to implement business solutions, the Consultant Finder is the fastest way to find the right expert. By answering just a few questions about product or industry expertise, company size, and location, you'll get a handful of consulting partners that are right for you. But what I'm most excited about is how we're giving you more direct access to partners. Now you can get your questions about an app answered fast. We are working with some of our partners to introduce a new AppExchange chat capability. No need to wait to set up a call or a meeting with a partner. Now you can get your questions answered in real time, directly on the listing.
And that's just a glimpse of the power of the AppExchange and how partner apps and experts can help you digitize your business fast. Back to you, Latrice.
Wow, that's awesome. Thank you, Leslie. Wherever you are in the world and wherever you are in your Salesforce journey, partners are here to help. Head to the AppExchange to find the right partner app or expert so you can digitize your business faster. Today, tomorrow, and in the future, extend what's possible with partners. Find the right partner for you on the AppExchange.
Sending a big thank you for all our amazing partners.
Thank you, Metazoa, for your snapshot solution that saves me hours of time in documenting my org and getting rid of technical debt.
Thank you, Attain, for your consulting expertise.
Thank you, Salesforce Labs, to continuously innovate.
Thank you, Brightmark, for your financial services expertise.
Thank you to all the amazing Salesforce partners.